104.7 FM.
Wells, News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Here's what's happening. President Trump and Joe Biden argued over the coronavirus during last night's debate. With less than 2 weeks to go before Election Day, the presidential nominees had 90 minutes to make their final case to the American people. A man is dead after being shot in Providence late last night. WPRI reporting it happened on Gallup Street around 11:45. Protests and demonstrations continuing last night near the site of the police-involved motel crash in Providence that left a 24-year-old man critically injured. Is still hospitalized after the crash on Sunday night. Get news 24/7 at newsradiori.com.
Now, here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
For today, partly cloudy skies develop and highs head to the upper 60s. Another warm day without as much humidity. Tomorrow, turning cloudy throughout the day with highs reaching up near 70. Temperatures fall dramatically into Sunday, partly cloudy in the middle 50s. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Christina Ernie on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. This report is sponsored by Positive Coaching Alliance.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
Route 146 in Lincoln, watch for road construction. The shoulder closed in both directions makes it 7. You're seeing delays of about a mile and a half right now. Stop and go on the 6-day connector outbound between Toby and Lincoln. I'm John Willis on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Got issues with youth or high school sports? Positive Coaching Alliance can help. PTA, a national nonprofit, offers more than 1,000 free online resources for youth and high school sports coaches, parents, students, and administrators. Visit pca.zone.org.
You ask an OP for medical advice? Of course not.
Sign up for propane sales and service with an oil company. We at Propane Plus want you to know that propane sales and service is a serious business better left to professionals. Propane Plus is Southern New England's leading provider of pure propane heating, ventilation, and air conditioning needs. So remember, when it comes to propane sales and service, don't monkey around. Propane Plus, the propane professionals.
Life furniture comes in a variety of colors and styles. Its comfort is legendary, and its durability is phenomenal. Choose from the latest leather fashions. 15% off the board. No interest till January 2024. Carney's Furniture and Mattresses.
Hi, this is Ron St. Pierre, waking up with me on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Just got a whole lot easier. If you've got a Google Assistant or Google Home device, just say, hey Google, play News Radio 920 on iHeartRadio.
It's Patty's News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
A lot of focus group research and polling data that indicates healthcare is one of the things that matters the most to people in America right now. And so it's important, folks, to understand what Biden's healthcare plan will do. And when I say Biden, I mean, he's the ticket. He's the top dog in the ticket. So, yeah, it's his. But